Too early for that kind of stuff. Hi! Hey there. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, be prepared to lose 10 minutes of your life. If you're coming back, yeah, that's awesome. I can't even get over it. I'm SBmitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website, SBmitch.com. That is where you can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box today for sale at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weird cadence. Hello, pals. Quick reminder that today is the last day to enter for the $350 beater box giveaway I'm doing with my friend Swazy. He's very tall, and he's actually wearing sleeves in the video that he recorded, so I was a little taken back by that, but the man rarely wears sleeves, so when he does, you know it's special. Check out his video right there. All you gotta do is comment on his video and you will be entered. He's doing the drawing either tonight or tomorrow or something, so it ends tonight at midnight. Comment on his video, not this video. If you comment on this video, nothing's gonna happen besides me just responding saying, wrong video, fella, or something like that. So it's Beater Box Friday. This Beater Box comes to us from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com, at Sole Supremacy on social media outlets. Is it outlets? Platforms, whatever. They're gonna be releasing memberships pretty soon, so definitely give them a follow and turn on notifications if that's something you're interested in. This box was $1,475 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,515. Now they price these boxes under market because they just need to move them. So there's a really good chance to make some money on them. Go ahead, follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe that we pull out of this box is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. And then we're gonna take the entire value of the box at the end of the video, break it down and show you how much I paid versus the potential profit, because that's the whole point of these things. So before I lose you, which I probably already did, or you maybe actually fast forwarded through the video to watch me open shoes and that's basically it. Let's just open the box. What am I talking about? This box is open. Looks like there is a loose pair and a pair without a box top. Let's get this loose pair out of the way first. So this is a Jordan 7. It's a size 10. Use the Pure Money Air Jordan 7s. Yeah. These came out pretty recently, right? 2017 or something like that? Yeah, 2017. It's basically an all-white Jordan with a little bit of gray in it. It's got suede on these side panels and the toe cap. A little bit of outsole wear, not too bad. Actually, hardly any insole wear, which is really good. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not, whatever. Just no box, so they need a pretty decent cleanup. So there's your first shoe out of size 10, Jordan 7, Pure Money. Interesting. If you're interested in those shoes or any other shoe in this video thing from the box, I almost said Ransom Note Sneakers, SBmitch.com, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today.
Check it out.
The shoe without a box top is a size 11 Nike Air Max 1 Premium. It's these. It's a pair of wheat Air Max 1s. Yeah, lace bag's still attached. So these are dead stock. They just don't have a box top, so someone got them at an outlet. So there's a little bit of laces going on there. So it's a premium Air Max 1. It's low suede, all on top. Actually, really nice suede. Holy cow. Looks like they got them at an outlet, so they've probably been moved around and touched by hands and stuff, but size 11. Wheat Air Max 1s. I do not like wheat colorways. I think they're just hideously ugly, but there you go. Just in time for fall in like 8 months. Nike Sportswear box. This box has seen better days. Got a LeBron 10 cork. It's a size 11.5. LeBron 10 in the cork colorway. These are worn, but they are in great shape. Discoloration, because it is a little bit of an older shoe, but it happens. I don't see the extra laces, but I could be wrong. Nah, they're not in here. This box has seen better days, but this was a shoe that at one point in time was going for absolutely crazy amounts of money. Died off. I don't know why. I think it had to do with LeBron moving teams every 5 minutes, it seems like. So, I don't know. Cool shoe, I guess. Gimmicky. That's a positive in my book, so there you go. Size 11.5, LeBron 10 cork. Value on that could be 200 or it could be 500. I don't know, because those things are all over the place. Got a size 11 Jordan Spizike. in a $1,475 box. Not that Spizikes are bad, but Spizikes are something you see in like $300 boxes. There you go. It's a size 11. I think these are Toro Bravo Spizikes. I mean, a Spizike, obviously, as you probably know, is just a mishmash of like 5 or 6 Jordan models put together. There is a little bit of paint cracking along the air unit on the midsole, but the medial side, where there's a lot of cracking usually, looks pretty good on the right shoe. Left shoe, pretty decent too. So they're not in bad shape. It's just, it's a Spizike. So these probably can't be worth more than like 125 bucks, maybe even less. I don't really know. So there you go. A size 11 Jordan Spizike in the Toro Bravo colorway, I think. This box has me nervous. Next up, we got a size 10.5 Jordan 8 Retro. Oh, that's cool. So we got a pair, 2007 pair of Aqua 8s. Interesting. They retroed these in like 2015, I think. So this is the older pair. With the older pair, obviously, on the medial side, you can see there's some paint cracking going on here. This is, a lot of people love the Air Jordan 8, and a lot of people, to them, this is a grail. Like, I don't understand the draw of 8s because I have bad taste, but size 10.5, a little bit older. Still wearable though, it looks like, just needs to be cleaned up. There you go, Jordan 8 Aqua from 2007. How is this box $14.75? And there's a Nike ID. Size 11 Air Jordan 11 Retro. It's the cool gray release from 2010. If these aren't dead stock, I have no idea why this box is worth so much. They're not dead stock. What is going on here? All right, so we got original inserts, which is very cool. These are worn though. It's a cool gray 11, size 11, good size. It doesn't look like there's any, excuse me, it doesn't look like there's any like separation or anything. There's outsole discoloration, which is gonna happen on a nearly 10-year-old shoe. Jumpman is worn off on the inside. This is probably, I mean, I said that in the last video because I got a pair of cool grays. I think they're gonna retro these in 2021, I would imagine. This one's in okay shape, just needs a cleanup. There you go, size 11. Jordan 11 cool gray from 2010. And the last box is a Nike ID box. How, I don't understand. It's a Nike ID box. There's, oh, okay. All right, so here's why the box is worth so much. Granted, this is not a shoe I'm particularly excited about personally, but it's worth a good amount. So this is a little bit surprising to see. This was a shoe that was a Complex Con exclusive release, I wanna say in 2017, I think. I'm not sure if they're dead stock. They look dead stock. This is a pair of the collaboration with Pharrell Williams of NERD on the NERD You Nerds Trail Hue. Wow. These were going for like 10 grand at one point. I'm sure because it's an Adidas release, it's not worth nearly that right now, but still, this is probably worth at least 2 grand. Probably more if it is indeed dead stock condition, or maybe tried on. It doesn't look like there's any wear on the outsole. Huh, comes with the extra laces. So it says You Nerd on the upper. It's 3M metallic. It's reflective. Okay, so now I understand why this box was $14.75, because this shoe is worth a lot of money. Or I know at one point it was. It may still be. Yeah, these are worn, but they are so, yeah, there's a little bit of scuffing going on the medial side tab thingies, it looks like. But even still, these are worth more than the box is worth, so wow, cool. There you go. Well, what size is it? I didn't even say what size. It's a 10.5. It's a 10.5 You Nerd Complex Con exclusive Trail Hue. Interesting. Wow, okay, cool. Again, a shoe I'm not particularly excited about personally, but that's a good final shoe to end on. So that is a $1,475 box that nearly gave me a heart attack. Let's look at the numbers. Big down! Dodged a bullet with that one. Holy cow, I was about to start going off on Sole Supremacy. Woo, baby. Not a bad box. Not shoes I'm particularly excited about personally, but they do have some value, so pretty decent box. If you are interested in any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today, SBmitch.com, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, starting tomorrow, it's February 1st, right? Haven't looked at a calendar in months. Yeah. So tomorrow is the 1st. Check out SBmitch.com for $50 February. Basically what it is I'm releasing a shoe each day throughout the month of February that's going to be at $40 or under, which means $50 shipped in the United States. We do offer worldwide shipping now, which is pretty cool, but it's not cheap because worldwide shipping rates are not cheap. But I will do my best to make sure that you don't have to pay duties. So SBmitch.com starting tomorrow, $50 February in full effect. Plus there's also other things to buy there if you want to check it out. So appreciate your time. Remember to sign up for the beater box giveaway. Go to Swazy's video. Is it up there? Yeah, that's the right side, right? I don't really know. Check out Swazy's video, enter for the $350 beater box giveaway, and that's basically all I got for you. So till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye.